Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to scroll down and we have to find Google option. Next we have to click on all services, search assistant and voice. Then we have to click on the Google Assistant to open Google Assistant settings. Here in the Google Assistant settings we have to click just on the first option, Hey Google and voice match. Now we have to click on this button right here. We have to agree again, and as you can see, Hey Google is now ready. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.